Hello guys, welcome to El Montrón Access, Domex Network, dn.dominicanblog.com. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna create a login form. Well, it's already created. What we're gonna do, we're gonna add some code to this button right here, validate, to allow us to have multiple username and password in one login form. So what that's gonna let us do is that different people with different username gonna be able to go to different parts of, we can say, the database. If we want to say Eric to go to the employee form and we want Michael to go to the employee separation form, we can do that through here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click home, we're gonna click view, then we go design view. Make sure when you put the label, the text labels here, make sure that you name it. So this one is username, and this one is password, and this one is input mask set as password. So when you type your password, it doesn't do text. It's like X, which is password protected kind of. So let's go ahead and start doing the codes over here. We click the button, we go to event on click, make sure it's on click, and then we go here, events, we click here, and then we start pretty much typing. We know that the username is username dot set focus, and then we do if username equal, let's say Eric, and the password equal, we're gonna do it the easy way, Eric 2. Then message box appears saying access granted, welcome. You can do whatever you want here. You can put whatever message you want to appear. So we're gonna do a VBA only, because this is a type of message only. Okay, we can do critical information, yes or no, whatever you want, but I'm just gonna do this. And the name of the message, or the head of the message, is gonna be 5-star. That's the comment that I usually work for. Okay, so we're gonna do docmd.close, because we want that to close when we click OK, but then we want that to open the form that we want. So we do open form, the name of the form, in this case I want Eric to open just a main menu form, and then we do the other code for the other username. We do L if I want to finish right here, if I want to do just one username, I could just do this else, and the message box saying please re-enter username and if and so. But because I'm adding another username, I just do if and then username, and we're just gonna do a copy paste so I don't have to type the whole thing again. Yes, we already know that, so we're just gonna click OK here, and then we're gonna paste it here, and we're just gonna change this to, let's say, Michael, and then we're gonna do leave the password for all the username as Eric to make it easier. And then we want Michael to open a LF. I'm sorry, I need to delete this right here. Okay, and then we want Michael to open another form. In this case, gonna be, let's see, which form do we have for this username? We want him to open employee form. So we're just gonna go ahead and do one last username. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna copy this, we're gonna put it right here, and then we're gonna call this Rita, I don't know. And then we're gonna do the form. We're gonna do employee address. Okay, so here, because we're gonna finish the coding right here, we do else, and then we do a message box in case whoever is typing username, if they type it wrong, this is the message that they're gonna get. Please re-enter your username and password. Okay, and if, because an end sub. Okay, we're already done with this. Let's see if it works. So we're just gonna click save, and then we're gonna go to the form view. We're gonna do Eric first, password Eric, and then we're gonna click validate. Access granted, welcome. As you can see, it sent us to this main menu. This is what I want Eric to see. I haven't created the button here to go back to the splash screen, so I'm just gonna close this. I'm gonna open the form again over here, and we're gonna do Michael to see where it sends us, and then we're gonna do Eric as password. Please re-enter. I don't remember how it's spelled out. Well, that was the way I did. Access granted, and welcome, and he is in the employee information form. So, well, here I do have this here. Well, I'll just send this here to the main menu. Anyway, so we're gonna do the last one to see if it works too. For Rita, we're gonna do Rita, and then we're gonna do password. We say it was Eric too, so we're gonna click validate, access granted, and here we are, 3 different username under one login form. So this is how it works. Thank you so much. Using the VBA code El Montrón Access, dn.dominicanblog.com, Domex Network. Thank you so much.